Yes, guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make brown stew chicken Jamaican style. Yeah, man. So these are my ingredients that I'll be using for today's recipe. I have 4 pieces of chicken leg quarters. I already cut it up into bite-sized pieces. All right, and here I have my dry ingredients. I have some onion powder, all-purpose seasoning, some chicken seasoning, a little paprika, a little bit of Szechuan seasoning, and some annatto powder. All right, so we're gonna add this right on top, and then we're gonna add some carrots, some thyme, scallion, some onion, scotch bonnet pepper, and some ginger right on top. Then we're gonna season everything together, let it marinate for about 30 minutes, and then we'll stew it down a little. All right. Mix it up. Just make sure everything is nicely, evenly coated, nicely seasoned. I'm also gonna add a little bit of browning on top and some pimento sauce, all right? So this is my pimento seasoning right here. I know I said pimento sauce, but that's what I meant, pimento seasoning, all right? Then we're gonna add a little bit of browning, grace browning on top. Not too much. I don't want it to be too dark. Mix it up again. All right, just like that. All right, like I said, guys, we're gonna let it marinate for about 30 minutes and then we'll continue the process. Stay tuned. At this point, guys, you wanna add a little bit of cooking oil, about 3 tablespoons. And you also wanna turn your stove to about a medium-high heat, all right? Then we're gonna add some sugar. This is about 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar, brown cane sugar. Stir it up. Now we're gonna wait until it starts to burn a little bit, until it gets dark. Then we're gonna add our chicken right in, sear it up a little. Then we're gonna add some water and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. All right, guys, so now we're gonna stir it up. And then we're gonna add our chicken. So that's the color you're looking for. You want it to be dark brown or black, all right? Not too dark though. After you add your chicken, guys, just stir it up a little, just to make sure all sides are evenly, seared. So after, searing your chicken for a few minutes, it should start to build its own juice, own liquid. Then we're gonna add some hot water, about 4 cups of hot water. And then we're just gonna let this cook for about 30 minutes, medium-high heat. Stay tuned. Yes, guys, so it's been about 25 minutes, so now at this point, I'm gonna add about a cup of tomato sauce. If you don't have tomato sauce, you can substitute that with some ketchup, all right? And then we're gonna cook this down for about 5 more minutes, and our Jamaican brown stew chicken should be good to go. All right, stay tuned. As you can see, guys, the chicken is ready to go, good to go. This is my version of brown stew chicken Jamaican style. Yes, I say? Yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Peace.